We got any lube? Like at this point, even olive oil would help me get that drawer unstuck.
Hello Internet, Lieutenant Ellis here with the 299 Scouts. Dangerous skills for dangerous places. I just wanted to do a quick video as I'm about to shift my locations. So I need to turn in this particular weapon. We shoot every week, and so I'm not really up on keeping all the carbon off of it, but I do want to keep it functioning and I want to keep it from rusting. So obviously, you know, in the Army, your first go-to is the old CLP, cleaning lubricant protectant, just some standard gun oil. But say you're in a field environment or in a location where you don't have access to that. That's where alternative lubrication comes into play. So this is Hutsalv, which is a Swedish lip balm skin protectant that has numerous uses. Lip balm, conditioner for leather boots, to prevent chafing, for small cuts after shaving, to soothe a dog's paws, as a candle if melted around a wick, to grease weapons, as frying oil so you can cook at a campsite, to ward off mosquitoes, to treat cold sores, as a pomade hair for your hair, to prevent skin damage in windy, chilly conditions, to heal damaged cuticles, as an oil for a bike chain, to wax skis. So Hutsalv, obviously those 1,000,001 uses, and it's gotten quite a legendary status, probably amongst hipster gunfighters out there. And this is kind of the weapons maintenance that I tend to do. Now, if you're not the hipster type and you don't want to get Swedish military grade lip balm, it turns out that pretty much any lip balm, Carmex, some standard chapstick type sticks, does the exact same thing. I find that the Carmex type, whatever type that comes in a bottle like this, is actually easiest to apply. Just kind of squirt it out on all your metal to metal contact points. It's also great as a food grade protectant for your knives. If you find that you're in like a jungle environment and your knives are getting rusty, you know, you don't want to put anything chemically on it. You don't want to put, you know, even CLP on your knife, because, you know, your likelihood of cutting sausage later on to eat is probably higher than it is for having to stab anybody. So I tend to keep my blade protected with something food grade. I'll go in here and I'll lube up the joints so I have a smooth action. Now, so with the grease types, and this goes if you bought legit gun grease, you know, like dirt does get attracted to it, dirt will stick in there, but as long as you keep lubing it up and doing maintenance throughout your operation, you should be just fine. There's your 30-second TTP, and you know, links in the description for some Hutsalv. It's not that expensive, and if you wanted to really impress your friends with all the crazy stories about what Hutsalv has to offer. But if not, like I said, any standard chapstick will do. Alright Internet, catch you next time.